The next step is VPC. Select my VPC. I only have one VPC in this account. Tags, so row. I have a row that I've already created. This row allows me to be able to use CloudFormation to deploy um, resources on AWS on my behalf. So I think this is cool. Nothing else to be added. You can also estimate the cost of this deployment, but that's fine. So I acknowledge creation, then we click on create stack. So we'll watch the stack deploy our resources for us. If I click on refresh, ECS cluster has been created. Let me go to ECS and see the cluster that has been created. So you can see right now is creating the infrastructure on our behalf using this code. If I look at resources, you see all the resources it has deployed. It has deployed the tax definition, blah blah. Then also to scaling. So still deploying. Creation is still in progress. So you could also reuse these templates to do other deployments. Imagine if you have to deploy this same infrastructure across maybe about 30 AWS accounts. You don't want to be deploying this one by one. So imagine all the resources that we've deployed from deploying 2 instances auto scaling, load balancer, ECS cluster, ECR repo, Route 53, just using one code, and in less than how many minutes the deployment will be done. So that's the beauty of using infrastructure as code. Thanks for watching.